Hello everyone, so this is going to be part 2 of my lip products decluttering series, and this is actually video 15 in my decluttering series. In the last video I said that I thought that was 15, but it ended up being 14, so this is 15. If you haven't seen part 1 of my lip products decluttering, then make sure to watch that, because that's where I have all my lip glosses, lip liners, and lip crayons. In here I have lipsticks and liquid lipsticks. I also mentioned in that last video that I will not be decluttering the lip products that are in my lipstick tower, which I'm going to show you somewhere here, because those are my favorite products. I'm always changing that up, and I always have the things that I'm using most at the moment in there, so there's no need to declutter that. So anyway, if you want to see what I'm keeping from these and what I'm getting rid of, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start on this side with my lipsticks. Like I mentioned, most of them are in the lipstick tower, but these are the ones that just don't fit there. So here I have some Kat Von D old school lipsticks, and I like all of these. I especially like this one. It's a really pretty, like, shimmery nude. I actually don't even wear this as often as I should, because this is beautiful. This has to be somewhere where I can use it more. These two are pretty also. I love this one around the holidays because it's kind of like a shimmery red. Beautiful. But then this one I think I can get rid of, because it is a pretty red, but it's more on the orangey side of reds, which I prefer like neutral reds. And this one, like I said, it's like more warm than what I prefer. So I'm giving this one away. I'm sure someone else will enjoy it, but I am keeping these two. Then I have here this one from Milani. This one is Bahama Beige, and Milani has these lipsticks in a matte formula and then in a cream formula. This is a cream one. I recently, literally 2 days ago, gave the matte one that I had from these, because I did makeup on someone and I used that lipstick and it looked so good on her that I just gave it to her. But I love these, they're so good, so I am keeping this one. Then here I have this one from Hourglass. This is the fanciest lipstick I think I own. It's nice. It is a cream formula. This is also a pretty color. This was sent to me for free and I do enjoy it, so I will be keeping this one as well. So let's talk about all of these minis I have going on right here. This one is from Fenty Beauty. I love this color, and this is actually pretty new as well, so I am keeping this. Then I have two reds in here, one from Bite Beauty and one from Urban Decay. I enjoy both of them, but I don't know if I should keep them just because they're minis. I have said this before, when things are like tiny, I either will like really love it and use it up right away, or I'll completely forget about it and then never use it. So that has been the case with all of these. This one is also a very pretty color, but it's not my favorite. Like, it's kind of like a rosy shade, as you can see, but it's not my favorite type of rosy, dusty rose shades. So I am giving this one away from Marc Jacobs. And then these two, I honestly don't know what to do with them. I think I'm just gonna give them away. I have enough red lipsticks and liquid lipsticks, so yeah, I'm just gonna give these away. Next I have this one here from Palladio. I think I mentioned this in a video, maybe like in a haul. So I tried this because it was like $1 on clearance or something like that, but I did not like this like at all, like not even a little bit. It was just not pigmented at all. I mean, in their defense, it is like a butter sheer balm, but even then I just didn't enjoy it, so I am giving this one away. I think I used it one time and then never again. Then I have this one here from NYX. This one is also from NYX, and I love both of these. This one was actually my go-to for like 2 consecutive winters. This is all that I would wear. It is so beautiful and so pigmented, and I love it like a lot. I just don't know if I should keep it. See, as much as I used it, it still has like a ton in there, but I don't know if I should keep it, especially because I have so many other ones right now. So I think I'm just going to dispose of it. And this is one of their high voltage lipsticks, which I don't even think they make anymore. And then I have this one here. This one is one of their lip Smacking Fun colors. I also don't think they make this anymore, but it's a very pretty shade. I can't really wear them on camera and tell you guys about it because you can't really go out and buy them. Then I have two fun colors here from Essence, and both of these are actually brand new still. As you can see, I think I want to keep these just because I don't have anything else like these. I do have another blue liquid lipstick from NYX that you'll see in a little bit, but other than that, I don't have anything else that's like this. I do also have like a purple from NYX, but the point is that I especially don't have anything that's like green, so I really want to keep this one. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and keep this one too because they're so fun and I haven't used them yet, and I know that I can use them for like more artistic looks or something like that, so I am keeping these. And then here I have these three. One is from Smashbox, one is from Make Beauty, and then this one is from Bobbi Brown. This is such a beautiful product. I am obsessed with this. I just really wish that it was like in a regular lipstick formula because I have to like use my fingers for it, and I don't really love that. But this is such a pretty color. I think this is like a lip and cheek type of product, but I only use it for my lips. It's so pretty. It's the prettiest color, which by the way is Blushed Rose number 3. I love this so much. I think it was a free sample somewhere sometime, but I love this. I just don't use it as often as I should, but I love this and I really don't want to give it up because it's so beautiful. And then both of these are red lipsticks and they are both brand new. I actually just got this like literally weeks ago, so I am keeping this. I've never tried Smashbox lipsticks before, so I really want to keep this. This one, however, is a little old, but it is brand new still, and it's such a pretty red, so I am going to give it away so that somebody else can enjoy it. Then over here, this is the funniest category because these are all liquid lipsticks that I hate, like with a passion. I hate these. I have been wanting to make like a liquid lipstick that I hate video, but I never got around to doing that, so I guess I'll just let you know right here that I hate all of these for different reasons. So I'm going to go through them really quick, starting with these from, this is LA Splash. So I don't know if you remember, but this was the very first product that came out as like a liquid lipstick. This was advertised as like not being removed with water or like wouldn't smudge or anything like that, and this was just all the hype, and I bought them because of that. But as soon as I tried one of them, I hated it so bad. They're so drying, they feel like sandpaper on the lips, and I just always hated these, and I regret buying these so much. After this, thankfully, so many other brands released amazing liquid lipsticks, so thank God for that. But these are awful. I don't like them. I mean, maybe since then they have gotten better, but I just do not like them, hate them a lot. So I'm obviously getting rid of all of these, but I'm just telling you why I didn't like them. These two, oh my gosh, so many people have like talked about these being amazing, but for me, these were just awful. These are from LA Girl, and the problem I have with these is that I apply it, okay? So let's pretend that like these are my lips, right? So when I apply it, when I put my lips together and I separate them, some of the color from like the bottom has transferred to the top or vice versa, and they're just awful, and I never like them. I keep like trying them again and they just always have the same issues, so these are just awful for me. This one from Skin, I don't know that the product itself is bad, but this color was just bad for me, and it was just the most unflattering shade ever. It just made me look dead, so I just did not enjoy that. This one from BH Cosmetics was just not the best. It was a little sticky, not the most comfortable. This actually had the same exact issue, so I just didn't enjoy it. And then this one from Milani is just weird because I can't tell you anything about the formula because I've never left it on my lips long enough to know how it performs, because I cannot get past the fragrance of this. Now, it doesn't smell bad. It smells good, but it's so strong that it literally makes me sick to my stomach. And I'm not someone that's like sensitive to fragrance. I literally never complain about like cosmetics having a certain smell or anything like that, but I cannot get past the smell of this. It's just not for me. So because of that, I just never enjoyed it, and all of these are going away. These are going to the garbage. These I'm just going to donate, and maybe somebody else would like them, but these I know they're just awful, so I can't even donate them. And now all of these are just liquid lipsticks that I do enjoy, but I just don't reach for that often because they are in the drawer and not in the tower. But let's go over them because there are some in here that I know I really do like. Let's start with the minis over here. All of these are minis actually. All right, so here I have some from Stila. I really like the Stila liquid lipsticks, but these two shades are just not something I wear that often. They're just not for me, so I am donating both of these. They are brand new. This red is really pretty and I do like it, so I am keeping this one. Then this one from Ciate is beautiful and it is so comfortable. And by the way, I have a full size as well right here from Ciate. I am keeping both of these. They are amazing and so overlooked. People should really talk about them more often because they are so nice. So I am keeping these. Then I have these two from Tarte and I do like them. Are they the same thing? Yeah, Tarte's lip paints, and I do have a full size or two full size ones by the way. So here they are. I have this nude brownish looking one and then a red one. So I actually just tried this one in the morning and left it on the entire day to see how it performs, because when I bought this I wore it one day and it just faded so fast and it was just not the greatest. So that's why I kind of like never wore it again. I think I have to try it again though, because I wore this one and it did stay on longer than I remember this one. And then these two I just haven't used. This is not a shade that's good for me. I think this was part of like a birthday thing, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, birthday suit. So I am going to give this one away, and then I'll keep these three and give them one more try, especially this one. I think this one is like an old formula because even the packaging is like slightly different, so that may be why. But I did like this one today, and then I haven't worn this one yet. It's a slightly darker red than this one, so I do want to try it eventually, so I am going to keep these for now and then give this one away. Then here I have two from Kat Von D, which I love the Kat Von D formula, so I am keeping these two for sure. And these are, by the way, Lolita and Lolita 2, which are like two of her most famous shades, and I do love them, so I'm keeping these. Here I have one from Winky Lux, and I don't think I have actually used this yet. And the color is, yeah, this is new, but I don't know how I feel about the color. So I don't know if I should keep this or just give it away now while it's still like new. I think I'm going to actually research this and see how good it is, and then I'll decide. Then I have here from Bite Beauty another liquid lipstick, which again I have not used. And then here I have one from All For Cosmetics in the shade Manhattan. I think I'm going to give this one away because this shade is not the most flattering on me, and I do think it's still new. Yeah, brand new, so I can definitely give it away to maybe one of you guys. So next I have here these NYX liquid suede ones that I do like the formula of them a lot. So these two were just recently, they're new to my collection. This one was given to me, and this one I got, I think, as a birthday freebie. And then these two, I actually used this one in one of my favorite videos, which was the Snapchat butterfly filter recreation. So I do love this color. This one I think is too light for me and I haven't used it yet, so I'm going to give it away. And then this one is so interesting. I think it's like completely black, if not gray, so I do want to keep this one. And then this color is beautiful. It is soft spoken, so nice, so I'm keeping these. And then I'm giving this one away. I have 3 other liquid suede ones in my tower that I also love. I also have here these 3 from Victoria's Secret. These are the Velvet Matte Lip Cream Stains from Victoria's Secret. These are very nice. They're not the greatest, but they are very nice. They kind of remind me of the formulation of these Velvet Lippies from Absolute New York. If you've tried these, they're very similar, so I do want to keep this. And then speaking of the Absolute ones, I have 2 of them here. I think that's all I have. yeah, I have two of them. This one is a shade I like, this one not so much, so I'm giving this one away. Then I have two full size here from Kat Von D, which I do love. This one, however, is not a shade that I use that often anymore. I just said this in my last video, but I was really into like corally shades, but now not so much. And this one is Berlin, super pretty, but it's just not something I wear that often. So I think I'm going to actually give this one away and then just keep this one, which is, what is this called? Double Dare. I also have two here from Koki Cosmetics, I think. Yeah, Koki. These I have not used actually, so I am going to give this one away again because I'm not into like pinks like that anymore. But this looks like a really pretty shade, so I am keeping this one. I also have two from Luck Color Cosmetics right here. I did enjoy this formula. I put them in a video as a review, I believe. I like this shade, this one not so much. I'm really not into like pinks or berries. I just like berries if they're like really dark, more like the red berry side, if you know what I mean. So I'm giving this one away and keep this one. This one is cinnamon and this one is muted plum. Okay, we're almost done. I have one from Ofra here in the shade Aries. I love these Ofra liquid lipsticks. The only reason why this is here is because it doesn't fit in the tower, and it's one of my least used shades because this one I never wear like on its own. I only wear like in the center of the lip or something like that, but I do like it, so I'm keeping it. Then I have here this one from Palladio. This is another one that I bought because it was like $1, but I did not enjoy it, so I'm giving it away. Then I have here this one from Lime Crime. It is the only Lime Crime product at all that I own, so I am keeping it. It's a really pretty shade. I think it's Cashmere. Yeah, that's the shade. Super pretty. It reminds me of Point Zero from Kathleen Lights. Super pretty. Then I have here another one from Ofra. Actually, this is from their old packaging in the shade Venice, which I don't know if I want to keep this because this is more of an orangey red, so I think I'm actually going to be getting rid of this one. Then I have a ColourPop one here, which is the only one that's not in the tower, and this one is in the shade of Viper. I think it was part of a BoxyCharm. I don't know how I feel about this shade. It's a little too berry for me, so I may give it away, but I'm not sure yet. So I'm putting this in the maybe pile. Then I have this one here from Galactic in the shade Posh. Super pretty. And I haven't used it enough to tell you if I love it or not, but I do want to keep using it, so I'm keeping it. And then lastly is this one here from CoverGirl. This is their Melting Pout Gel Liquid Lipstick. I have not tried this. It is still brand new, but I don't know if I want to keep it because it's red and I have so many other red liquid lipsticks, so I think I'm actually going to be giving this one away. Okay, so here's the result of my lip products decluttering video part 2. There are 64 products in here, and if you can believe it, there are 32 here that I'm keeping and 32 that I'm giving away, which I did not plan, and this is absolutely coincidental and it's kind of funny, but these are the ones that I'm keeping. Like I mentioned, I don't know if you can tell a pattern, but can you see that? Nude, nude, red, red, burgundy. That's about it. Like, that's what I'm into at the moment. Anything that's like bright orange, red orange, light pink, dark pink, fuchsia pink, that's just not my vibe anymore. So that's why I'm getting rid of so much. So like I said, there are 64 in here and I'm getting rid of exactly 50%. If you saw my last video, I got rid of, I think, 2/3 of the collection or something like that, maybe a little less. So I am so proud of everything I'm getting rid of. I have enjoyed this decluttering series so much. I got rid of so much, and I just want to remind you guys that there will be a giveaway announcement next week with everything that I got rid of that is new, nothing used, nothing swatched, touched, anything like that, only things that are new. There will be a giveaway, so make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss that, and just subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Also give it a thumbs up. It helps me, helps my channel, and I appreciate it so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for watching, and again, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, have a lovely Tuesday or Wednesday or whenever this is going up. Bye.